And what they face, the challenges they face, they say is the expansion of antenna height and the transmission power, because in the new CR policy, or actually as such the CR policy, they say that the antenna height should not be beyond 30 meters. And this PSG community radio, which is situated in the center of the city, is obstructed. Their airways are obstructed by the buildings around. And also they say the transmitter power, which is supposed to be not more than 100 thing, is also should be increased. And they say they are permitted to give only very little entertainment value. And what is their future plan is to increase the broadcast hours from present 8 to 16 within a time span of 6 months from now, and to become self-sustainable by expanding the quality of the content and providing a little bit of entertainment in the style of presentation. The next is the case analysis of Vivasayi FM. That is the FM which is broadcast by the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. The frequency range is 107.4 MHz, and it is functioning under the Directorate of Extension Education and the Department of Market Extension. The content is of the top. It is about the agricultural technologies, which will be beneficiary for the agricultural and rural development. And they also said that whatever they are broadcasting through this CR, they are uploading that into something called the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University Agri Portal, which will actually widen the coverage and the utility of their programs. And they also try to have a link between the students and the farmers through the innovative concepts found by the students. And they say their coverage area is to 15 to 16 kilometers range surrounding Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, including 22 villages around the areas of Tondamutur, Madhukurai and Kanuvai, which are all parts of Coimbatore district. And they are transmitting only from 4 hours transmission a day. And they also go in for this live radio concept for facilitating to be uploaded into the Agritech portal.
Of NGO-enabled community radio station. I took the NGOs because we had in Tamil Nadu we have 21 community radio station, in which only 3 NGOs are there. There are so many struggles which have gone through to obtain a license for the NGOs too. So why I took NGO is, though we have been there in Loyola and witnessing so many campus-based community radio, I thought I want to know what at least the NGOs who are already into community work, community development work, and they are with the community already. So what are they doing with the community media? And to study the nature of participation in the community radio stations by the targeted community, how they are being participating. Next slide. And the methodology I have used is qualitative. It is a qualitative study, and findings are mostly based on the field observations and the in-depth interview I had with the community and also with the station managers and the people those who run the station. Yeah, I can't stop myself by quoting White and Nair, because they have been White is a reputed scholar who has she has spoken a lot about the participatory communication and how it is helpful for the development. Studying so many projects across the world, the community media projects across the world, they have put this concept, participatory development communication is a two-way dynamic interaction between grassroots receivers and the information source mediated by the development communication, which facilitate the participation of the target group in the process of development. So this is how they define the participation and how the participatory development communication works. Next slide. And again, I want to say this definition: how the participatory process is expected in the community development is a person's active involvement in the interaction, dialogue, sharing, consensual decision making, and action taking. Participatory communication is the foundation of this process. And again, I would like to share another quote by Shirley White. In 1994, she was quoted that the word participation